All right, greetings and salutations, Doughboy Nation. Johnny Allen, Supercar Kid, back again. I'm wearing the same clothes as last video. This is the same day, but so my buddy Alex. I don't know if you guys have ever met him before. He got a new car recently, and this car is one car that personally I really wanted when I was looking for this thing. Well, when I was looking for my first car, this was kind of like a backup plan, like backup car. I wasn't really entirely sure like what I wanted to get, but you know, I settled on this obviously. But this was one of like the big three or like top 5 or something like that. But yeah, it's a future JDM Legend. Some people hate it. I absolutely love it. Seeing it here in person, it's the best version of this car. May I introduce you to the Mitsubishi Eclipse V6, the GT version. 5-speed manual, might I add, all black and absolutely gorgeous. Like, oh, 6-speed manual. My bad. Damn. A hell of a vehicle. 3.8 liter V6, 265 horsepower, I think it is, or 75, or something around there. This is Alex. Alex, say hi to the vlog. Fun fact, we have the same birthday. And we've had that same birthday, I guess, for all of our lives, because I've known him since 1st grade. But today, we're gonna do a little bit of something to this. Oh, I just noticed you don't have an emblem here. But, so what we're doing to this is we're installing a little aux cord for him so he can listen to his music in the car. Should be pretty simple, should be pretty straightforward. Oh, I just noticed you have red brake calipers on this thing. That's cool, it just comes like that. Damn, Mitsubishi, what have you, like, why'd you stop doing this? Why'd you stop doing this, Mitsubishi? Like, these cars were cool. Honestly, this is cool to me. Like, some people hate this. Nah. It's got the freaking metal gas cap and everything's no lock on it, but whatever. No one's siphoning gas these days, right? That was like a 1980s thing. All right, we're gonna go inside, watch a tutorial video, get to know a little bit more about what we're doing, and yeah, then we'll get started. All right, boys, we just had a little break. Now we're digging at this. We're ready. I'm not ready at all. Interior stuff is always so like, oh, that door's so light. Oh man, like compared to that car, it's a noticeably difference. You ever popped the hood before?
Not on this. It's hot. It's hot.
Yeah, it's black. Oh. Oh.
I'll leave that to you.
Ah! Jesus! Oh God! There's no like strut. It's here. It's right there. Damn. Oh, that's so hot. Damn it. Damn, bro, this is burning my fingers. Oh shit. Okay, there we go.
That probably does not go there, but
No. That looks, oh wait, no. It's probably this. Ah! What? Oh, Jesus!
Oh my God.
Damn, we're just burning up. Dude, I touched this, it was scalding hot. Oh God, that was scalding hot. We like ripped some of the rubber off. Oh no, we broke something already.
Again.
Oh, here we go. That's fine, just like that. Wait a second, hold on. We were so caught up with how hot that thing was that we forgot to admire the beauty of this transversely mounted 3.8 liter V6. Dude, they made this look so much better after, what, 2008 or 2009? Oh man, this is just a beautiful looking engine bay. All right, so we're just gonna, that black bar's hot. That black bar's really hot. Oh, and that's spinning, so it's gonna have to hold it on one side. Not supposed to be spinning. Oh God, okay, yeah, we need pliers. There we go. So clean in here. The car is very well, I must say. Very clean in here. It's like freshly vacuumed. Alright, let's pop this dog. Let's pop this car's interior work. Sharing.
That's pretty easy.
Okay.
Disconnect the hazard.
Nice and easy. Pinch right here. Oh, that was it. Cool. We'll put this down here. Actually, put it back here because you have back seats. Right. And I always forget about that.
I do.
And I'm jealous of this car because it has back seats. You got 4 screws here. Nice and gentle with them. I don't know why, but this single screwdriver is just so good with these like interior screws. Like I use this on the 350 all the time, and like every time, and it never. I wish I had a magnet at the end though. That would be useful. Because I have
2 fingers.
Oh, I say that as I nearly fingers. Oh, there we go. Gotta get that snap. Got a lot of fingers in that slot there, son. Damn. Didn't know your car rolled like that.
Don't want to lose any screws.
Yeah, guys, make sure, a quick tip for y'all, when you're doing interior work and there's Phillips heads involved, use the right Phillips head. There are many different kinds of Phillips heads. They're not exactly universal.
There we go.
There we go. It's like magic, I guess. This guy right here, we just gotta hook up these 3 pins into this connector in the right ones, and that should be about it.
Okay, so we got.
Looks like top right, one to the left is one, and one right under that. So
red is next to that red, and then
okay,
white goes into that one, that right one,
right above it,
and then black goes next to it.
Okay,
I think. Yep.
Looks like they go in this way. So I have no idea how these things go in. So I'm just trying to.
Oh, we have to open it a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Flathead. Sorry, I forgot.
Oh. Oh, I see. Okay. Ooh, this might be too big, but we'll try it out.
I think that's.
Do I have to use a tiny one?
Yeah.
Oh, so we made a breakthrough.
Yes, we did.
Cool. So we get to you. Oh, jeez.
Oh my god, I threw it in the neutral.
Oh god. Your parking brake's up. It's all right.
Nope. So what was it? Black above. Red. I lost my phone.
Oh. So we had to use this razor blade to like get this up, to like undo like the locks, I guess.
So a tip is get something very, very thin.
Let's do a little test. Start the car, well, not start the car, but you know, turn it into accessory mode, put the hazard thing back in, and then we'll hook up the aux and see if it works.
Try and get this one in a little bit further. Yep.
Oh yeah.
Backwards.
Oh yeah, just slid right up in there.
So if it doesn't go in, you might have it backwards.
Facts. So let's plug her on up and try it out. Shit.
So we got. Before we do that, I want to run the wire around into the glove box. How do I do that? Or not the glove box, around. Like, is it possible to get it through here? I think.
Find a gap. Hey. Gotta love them cheap Japanese interiors, dude. The Beamer can't do this. The Beamer could never do that. You gotta love these cheap Japanese interiors. Oh my gosh. It's just perfect.
Right. Now we plug her back in.
Well, I guess you might as well just send it and just put the whole thing back together, I guess.
Let's do it.
And just maybe we'll get it right the first try. That almost never happens.
Bottom right first.
Okay. Not too tight.
A quick tip for everyone.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Hold on.
Oops.
Hold on.
I fucked up.
Man didn't line it up. This man didn't line it up right. Alright.
My bad.
Now do it. Now do it.
There we go.
Now it's good. Hands are so sweaty. It's hard to hold this thing with sweaty ass hands. And this is to just sit snug and nice. Very nice. Alright.
Now let's reconnect the terminal. Nice.
Oh, that terminal. Oh, I was.
Yup.
My mind forgot that we did that. Honestly, I totally forgot we did that. I was like, wait, what terminal are we talking about again? Oh, the battery terminal. Because I never removed mine. Because I'm a dumbass and I never remove my terminals when I'm doing interior work, which is not smart to do. Don't copy me, guys. Copy me, but don't copy me. All right, boys, battery terminal is connected. Time for the moment of truth. We have the aux cord, we have a phone, we have a key, and we have a car. Well, all right.
Alright.
Oh my gosh.
Should I turn
That was
it
a
on?
whole ass sequence. Yeah. And get some AC going. Smooth. Would we be able to like rip around for a little bit?
Yeah.
Oh,
My
cool.
shifting's terrible, but yeah.
Ah, fuck it.
Alright. Let's go to FM.
Aux, okay.
Alright, let's see.
Oh boy.
Which should I put on?
Do you have non-copyrighted music? You know what? I'll just play whatever for like 10 seconds.
This on.
Oh, I hear noises. It's sensing it's there. I think it's connected to the speaker. Turn it up a little bit more. Turn it up on your phone. Some more on here. There you go. There you go. Oh, yes, dude. It worked. It worked. First try, too. Wow. We didn't need to rip it apart 2 more times. It's not a typical install.
Sound system's good.
All right. Let's go. Oop, I probably need a seatbelt. Hold on a second. So Alex, tell me a little about how you've been enjoying this car since you've had it.
This car is very fun, very good on gas. So it's pretty nice. Not going up, filling up like every week.
Because you drove, before this, you drove a Jeep Grand Cherokee V8, right?
Yes. Gas was horrendous.
From Jeep boy to Mitsubishi. Oh man, what a switch though. But you gotta love that little stick over there in the middle. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh damn, oh damn. Damn, that was awesome. Yeah, it's front wheel drive, but guys, 3.8 liter V6. It's got the dual exhaust and the big old, well not big old wang, but the nice wang. This thing is a cool car. It's so underappreciated. That is why I call this the most underappreciated future JDM Legend of all time.
It's got back seats. They're actually pretty comfy too.
And you actually fit back there. Like I can sit back there somewhat comfortably. Like it's very possible. It's crazy. Dude.
Handles very well.
How's the torque steer?
Not bad.
What torque steer, right?
Yeah.
Oh man. I think when I drove it, it was really only bad like out of turns. Because that's like the worst time to do that. It's like the worst time to gas is when you're going through a turn.
Yeah, gas has been great. It's fun when I want it to be fun. But also as a daily driver, it's just, it rides nice, the suspension, everything's just, I have no complaints.
That's nice. That's real nice, dude. Man, it's a nice, it's so simple inside too. Like all this is just so simple, so clean. Like this can never, I think, like it can be dated, but it's never really like outdated, if you know what I'm talking about. Like dated, but not like, wow, this looks like it's so old, it's unbelievable. Like nah, it's not gonna get to that point. Also real quick, little drive-by. Oh, I never shut my garage door, shit. I think we gotta film another video with this. Maybe Doug DeMuro styled review, perhaps? Perhaps?
Ooh.
Dude, it's
One of
just
my
a nice
favorite
car.
parts about this car is the seats. They are so comfy.
These are pretty nice. These are really nice. Things are actually, honestly, they remind me a lot of the 350 seats. but a little bit more plush, like a little bit comfier. Can we also mention how nice that exhaust sounds? That stock exhaust. For a stock exhaust, that's nice. Just saying, 3.8 liter V6, same size as a GTR. Meaning it's basically a GTR, you know what I mean? Basically. Just throw on some twin turb skis and you got a GTR. Johnny, it doesn't work that way.
A couple hundred horsepower.
Yeah, minus just a little bit of power. But you know, some nice equal length headers and an exhaust probably would probably make it sound about the same. But damn, I kind of want one.
They're fun.
Oh shit. How's it on the highway? Like, you must be like just slightly faster than like everyone else, right?
Yeah.
So you can like weave.
It definitely has the passing power.
Passing power, yeah. It's a good name for it. Someone else has probably already said that, and I just didn't know. Whatever, fuck it. It's his word now.
Passing power.
Passing power. John's got some passing power. Damn. Wow, guys, this is a nice car. Damn, I can't stop saying that. It's just a nice car. Like, as someone who's driven so many shitty cars, this is a nice ass car. All right, so we're back now. That was a fun short drive. Now we're just washing up the cars a little bit, wiping them down. Not for any particular reason, just because they're dirty. And we should probably be doing this. But yeah, guys, that's it from us. That install went surprisingly very well, which is awesome. I love when that happens. And hopefully we'll be seeing that car on the channel again soon. But that's it from me for now. That's it from Alex over there. And until the next stream, doughboys. Until the next stream. Peace.